Hey everybody, Jackie Schomburg-Abstract here. Today I wanted to work on a sketchbook page, actually 2 sketchbook pages, and just let loose and see what happened. I wanted to use my paints, some crayons, and some collage. I like to tape the edges of my sketchbook pages just because at the end you have a crisp border around it. Just a personal preference, you certainly don't have to. So I'm just quickly trying to build up some layers and get some depth. So here comes the collage. I'm attaching this with some gloss medium. I like to use my color shaper to apply it and then to flatten down the paper on top. I mainly use it because it's easy to clean off with the baby wipe. I'm using tissue paper here with some mono printing on it. I like that because it blends into the background a little bit better. It's not such an abrupt edge as paper is. You can see my fingers tapping. I needed something bold, I wasn't sure what, so I took a giant fat acrylic marker and made some bold lines. More tapping. Some more crayon to make some marks. I don't know what this tool is. I think it's like a bakery frosting spatula of some sort. I like to apply paint with it. Here I'm using a color shaper to add some color, and then a baby wipe to blend it in so it's a little bit more subtle. Helps me move it around the page better and wipe off any excess. And this is basically where it ends. Sometimes less is more. I really enjoyed how these turned out. I think they go very well together, and I think I'm going to be framing them and selling them at the art fair this summer. Just a few last touches, and then you'll see my hair dryer when it's time to take the tape off. I use the hair dryer just to loosen up some of the adhesive on the tape so it doesn't tear off the paper. If you're having trouble with your paper tearing, that's a pro tip for you. Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you'd like more. Thanks, bye.